So guys, nasa joint variation na tayo. So ang joint variation is z equals kxy where k equals to z and z over xy. So ang ginagamit natin ditong para sa statement ay ito lang. Z varies jointly as x and y. Pwede ring with as with. Okay? Yan lang yung pinagkaiba nila. Z varies jointly as or with x and y. Ito nga pala yung kanyang formula. Z equals kxy where k is equals to z over xy. So, statement into equation muna. Example. So, A varies jointly as B and cube of C. A varies... Ang pinagkaiba lang yan, guys, may cube lang tong C, okay? Pero madali lang yan. Madali na yan. Basic na yan sa inyo, no? Siguro, no? So, equation into statement naman tayo. Ay, ba't ko to binox? Hindi yan babox, guys. Yan yung, problem. Problem pala. Problem. Problema ko, math. Ayoko ng math. Gusto ko ang math, pero ayoko rin. So, ito yung problem. X equals to k z square y 3. So, ang answer dito is x varies jointly. Ito yung answer, guys. Hindi yan. X varies jointly with square of z, yung exponent na 2, and cube of y. Cube is yung exponent na 3. Next is problem solving. If z varies jointly as x squared and y, z is equals to 24. When x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So, yung dito, guys, yung, ilan na yung dito? Okay. So, ilang number dito? 3. So, z varies jointly as x squared and y. Okay, so, yung unahing hanapin natin always is yung k. Kasi dito may nakalagay dito is find the value of z. So, k muna para mahanap yung z. So, ang formula natin, isulat muna natin dito. Okay? K equals to z over x squared y. Then, isulat yung given. Z is equals to 24. X is equals to 2. And y is equals to 3. Substitute. Lagyan yung mga value nila ng mga letter. Okay, so, unahin muna natin itong may exponent dito. 2 times 2, 4. Okay. Dito muna sa may parenthesis. 4 times 3, 12. And 24. Wala ka nang sagot dito ay. 2 ata. Hindi, 2. 2 po yung sagot dyan, guys. 24 divide 12 equals 2. Sabi ko bang times? Next naman is, hanapin natin yung, sabi niya dito nga, find the value of z. Using the value of x, which is 3, and value of y, which is 5. And gagamitin natin yung value ng k. So, z equals k x squared y yung gagamitin natin formula. K, lagyan natin yung mga given dito, guys. K is equals to 2. Wala yan, guys. Hindi yan 12. Error. K equals to 2, x equals to 3, y is equals to 5. So, substitute. Yeah. Substitute ba yung tawag dun? Basta yung nilagay niyo yung value ng mga variables. So, unahin muna natin yung may exponent. 3 squared. 3 times 3, 9. So, 2 times 9, 18. 18 times 5, 90. So, yan yung sagot. May isa pa palang, guys, isang dalagang Pilipina, Charis. May isang, ba to? May isang problem pa tayong isa-solve. So, dito naman is yung may area na tayo dito. So, the area of a rectangle varies jointly as the length and the width, and whose area is equals to 72 square meter. When L is equals to 12 centimeter and width is equals to 2 centimeter, find the area of the rectangle whose length is 15 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. So, ang sabi dito, the area. So, A yung nilagay natin dyan. Kasi, area. And, varies jointly at the length, L. Length, first letter. And the width. So, LW nakalagay dyan. A equals KLW. K equals to A over LW. Joint variation pa rin to, guys. Okay. So, next, wait lang. As always, hanapin natin yung K. So, write the formula, the given, and substitute. Ano yung value ng A? 72, diba? Yung L, 12. Yung W, 2. So, first, unahin mo natin to. Yung nasa parenthesis. 12 times 2, 24. Then, 72 divided by 24 equals 3. So, value ng K natin is 3. Next naman, ito yung gagamitin natin formula. A equals KLW. Lagay natin yung mga given numbers. Yeah, dito, find the area of the rectangle whose length is, yung length natin is 15 centimeter, width is 3. K is 3. Length 15 with 13. 3. And then substitute, guys. And 3 times, substitute nyo yung value ng variable. 3 times 15 equals 45. 45 times 3 is equals to 135 square centimeter. Kaya square centimeter yan, guys, because ito yung sign ba yun? Basta sign yung tawag ko dyan. Sign at, ito yung sign ng width at length. Ito yung sign ng area. Ito yung sign ng width and length. Kaya, square centimeter. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yan na pag area and angle ba? Hindi. Walang angle, guys. Basta, area width, ganyan. Pag may ganyan nakakita sa exam. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung sign na yan. Grabe.